Navigating organizational change can be challenging. The ADKAR model offers leaders a structured approach to guide teams through transitions and achieve successful outcomes.
The ADKAR model stands for awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement. Each stage represents a milestone in the change process. First, leaders must create awareness of the need for change. This involves clear communication about why the change is necessary and its potential impact on the organization.
After building awareness, it's vital to foster desire among team members to participate in and support the change. Leaders can do this by addressing concerns, highlighting benefits, and involving employees in the process. Next, provide the necessary knowledge by offering training and resources, ensuring everyone understands their role. Developing ability means equipping individuals with the skills and support needed to implement the change successfully.
Finally, reinforcement is essential to sustain the change. Leaders should recognize achievements, provide feedback, and address any setbacks promptly. This helps ensure that the change becomes part of the organization's culture and continues to deliver long-term benefits.
By applying the ADKAR model, leaders can guide their teams through every stage of change, from initial awareness to lasting reinforcement. This structured approach drives engagement, reduces resistance, and leads to successful, sustainable outcomes.